Alright, everyone. Um, yeah, we're gonna see how to install the BMMC Mod pack. First, link will be down in the description. We're gonna go with the manual install first. Save it.
I'm
Okay.
one short. Are you kidding me?
Now, we're going to,
Man,
hang on.
Channel switched.
Alright, we're gonna drag this out here. Put it right here on the desktop. Right click. Extract files. Okay. Now, open this. Run the Forge installer. I'm actually going to be creating a new instance so it doesn't uh, mess up any other mods that you use. So I'm going to call it BMMC. There we go. Open. There. Oh, hang on. Create one. Dot BMMC. Okay. I'm an idiot. That's just install. Yes. And it needs to be this specific version, 34.1.41. Let it do its thing. Remapping jar, blah blah blah. All of this. Just all of this. Successfully installed 6 libraries. Okay. Now, let's close that. Open your Minecraft launcher. If this will open. There we go. Okay. Now, we're going to go here. Installations. Edit. And we're not going to use the default directory. We're going to use the BMMC directory that I just created. More options. We want to put this to at least 4 gigabytes. I'm going to go 6. Save. And now we're going to play, run it. That way it downloads everything that it needs. Windows key and R, % app data BMMC. This folder is currently empty, but it won't be for long. Okay, it's starting to fill in now. There are currently no mods, so this should be pretty fast. Okay, now that this is done, we close this. Close that. Extract this here. And okay, see config folder, config, Control A, Control C, Control V. And skip. Go get a water. And this one, Control A, Control C, Control V. Done. Now, close, close. Now, no, that was something else. Okay. Close this, forge. Now it'll load in all the mods, 137 of them. This will take a bit longer. Because that's what it's. Go. And you're ready to go. Add server. BMMC Val, just for short. Copy. Paste. Done. And there you go. Now, I will also show you the extremely simple steps of installing the Twitch profile. Okay, you have this. You open your Twitch launcher. Okay, I may have to just restart my Twitch launcher because it's being stupid. Close it from the door here. Okay. Come on, Twitch. Open up. Twitch is being twitchy. There it goes. Mods. Try that if you have to. Oh, come on already. Okay, games. There we go. Now, create custom profile. Import. Go to where it's downloaded. For me, it's just my downloads folder. And the Twitch profile, that's it. And it's installing. Validating manifest, creating overrides, mods. And you just wait for this. You just wait for this to finish. I'll show you what it looks like from here. You may, okay. From here, you want to go to profile options. This may be locked, and it doesn't really matter either way. But you want to uncheck this right here, this use system memory. Uncheck this, put it anywhere above 4,000 megabytes. Click OK, and click play. That's it. This will launch your Minecraft launcher. So it's a launcher for the launcher. You may have to log in, but there. That's it. That is it.